So guys, I've made this to go there, but I've changed my mind again. I'm going to use this particular thing. I'm going to put that right across there and drill a couple of holes for the pistons to go through there, as you can see, like that. And I hope this one works better. These holes I've drilled right through, so I can put these things right through there, so the air will go right through in a sense. So my mate's going to weld it for me. The air will go into that one too, and this is how it's gonna work. My mate's just gonna weld these on for me. Wow, raise them onto the silver solder. Well, that's good. Brilliant, mate. Thank you very much.
What was that you put inside it?
A mark where I want to drill. So here we are, guys. I've started the drill bits already there, but this has got to go through there like that, and on the other side as well. So I'm hoping it will work. But the thing is, I haven't got the right size drill for this one, unless I find it. All right. So guys, I found this drill. I'm not sure, not 100% correct, but it's the best I'm going to get. So I'm going to drill the 4 holes with that drill now. I'm going to do it off camera. There you go, guys, fits nicely in there. Beautifully fits in there. Lovely one, I love it. Okay guys, so my friend here said maybe I should do it like this. Problem is, when I put it on like that, that hits down there. So you see guys, this is going to go like this. This is holding it all together. I'm going to put it there, and this is what should happen when I finish it. I'm going to drill 2 holes there so that this can fit into that, like that. I'm going to use a rivet gun to rivet them down instead of nuts and bolts. I'm also going to drill the 2 holes up here, so when the pistons go through, they will hold the piston down. I'm not going to braze it or anything on this one. And this is what it should look like.